Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today I'm going to have another go at that spin with these cups, because I know it's possible and I know I can do it, and I know I can create something really pretty, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, man. Gonna do it this time. Gonna do it. So, changing the colour scheme. Why? Because I ran out of those colours. This is Viridian Hue, and I'm gonna, oh yeah, that's rather thick. That's okay. Fill that one up. Then we've got Payne's Grey. So they're going to be our outside colours. And I'm just going to put the Payne's Grey around the outside as well. Now, what I had the awareness of that I could do, oh damn, I've just gone and ruined that. No, it's cool, it's okay. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You move in mysterious ways. Oh. I'm being funny, did you notice? Now, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of my homemade oranges that will go, and I think it's this one, which is the 33% yellow and 66% crimson red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the Viridian Hue on top of that, so it can be blending in. Because you know what, that didn't work for me before. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my iridescent and put it in there, and then I'm going to top that one off with the orange red, the last bit. Why am I doing that? Because I can. Because I want the green and the red to start to blend in. Once I swap cups, I want those to blend, and there to be a circle of blending prior to the iridescent coming in. Let's get some more of this Payne's Grey around our edges. Now, move these and set as to slow speed. Alrighty. Spillage. How's it getting good in that? Now when you're doing a spiral pour, a normal spiral pour, you're going to move your hand. And I'm not very good at that. So I let my spinner spin and do my hand movements So there we go. Now, green. It's not quite what I had in mind. There we go. Then we've got the iridescence coming in. Drippage! No! Alright. Starting to get some black coming off there, or Payne's grey coming off. Because it's only on a really slow speed, the paint's just moving at its own speed. Ooh, hope I'm not hypnotising any of you with that centre. Can you see it? Alright, so then I'm just going to tilt it, because you can see there's quite big amounts of paint there, but it's already losing the green off the edge and I don't want to lose that green. So while that's tilting, I'm going to get my, I've got some cells coming out through here, which is very cool. Where the green and red got together and played, we got cells, which is yay. This actually is dry. So I'm going to dip my finger in here and wet that part of the record back up, because it's not going to spread with lots of ease if it's having to wet the record. Now, I had somebody ask me, what's the gun for? What's the heat for? That's to a couple of reasons. One, if there's any silicone hiding in underneath the paint, it warms the paint and the silicone has more ease rising up. And also, it pops any bubbles. You don't want bubbles in your paint. That creates yucky. Alright, where can I find some more of the Payne's grey? Yeah, I had some fallout over here too, so when I knocked it over, which was a bit silly. Let's see if I can scrape any more out. How's it get any better than this? After I've had fun with my paint, I get to go inside and have fun with a client. I have private clients all over the world who I facilitate to have more ease and joy in their world. And they range from business clients to parents to people not having fun in their relationships. And we get to play together. Not with paint, no. That would be fun, but no. Alright. I'm going to ask this paint to even itself out. What do you reckon? Do you think I should do one more micro spin? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Stop. There we go. Alright, I just realised you can't see half my painting. You probably couldn't see what I was doing with all that black. I was just filling in down here. Alright, so here it is, all dry. Yeah, it's funky. Somebody will love it. I could even have it with the block at the top as the 12 or at the bottom as the 6. Kind of looks like a love heart that way around. So our spiral sunk into the hole in the middle. Oh well. We got some really cool iridescent spirals in there. I like it. It's fun, it's groovy. The Payne's grey and the black kind of merged, but it gives it a bit of texture on the edges. And it's funky. I like it. It's different. It's shiny. So how much fun can you have with paint today? How much fun can you have in your life today? How much fun can you be? What else is possible? Come join us in Acrylic Pouring for Fun on Facebook, and what else can we create that's greater than just us individuals? I adore you. Have fun. Bye bye.